Welcome to another Quick Science. I'm Robert Brown, and today we're going to be taking a look at viruses and vaccine. You can get sick for lots of reasons. Sometimes the cause is a tiny, single-celled living thing called a bacteria. Sometimes it can be due to contact with a plant or animal, like poison ivy or a poisonous snake. Sometimes it can be genetic, which is when a part of your inherited genetic code makes you more likely to develop an illness like cancer. And sometimes it's something called a virus. Just what is a virus? Even scientists aren't completely sure. We know a virus is a really tiny thing, even smaller than a single cell or a bacteria. They're too small to see with the unaided eye. This resembles, right here, one kind of virus called a coronavirus. Coronaviruses are actually a whole family of viruses, one member of which is responsible for COVID-19. So what do we know about viruses? Well, we know that they have a protein shell on the outside. A coronavirus has protein spikes, or crowns, on the outside of its protein shell. Inside the virus, there's a strand of genetic code. The genetic code contains instructions on how to make more viruses just like it. Unlike living creatures, though, a virus can't use its genetic code themselves to make more viruses. A virus has to invade another living thing and use that living thing's cells to make more viruses for it. When a virus invades your body, it releases its string of code into one of your cells. Then it makes your cell use the virus code to make more virus like itself. Then these viruses invade more cells and make those cells make even more viruses like themselves until there are thousands and thousands of viruses, just like the first virus swarming all through your body. But while the virus makes your cells make more virus, your body is fighting back. Your body has something wonderful called an immune system. The immune system is your body's defense against invasion by viruses and bacteria and other bad things. When a virus invades, your body's immune system detects the virus, analyzes it, and starts to make antibodies. Antibodies are the soldiers in your body's defensive army. If this styrofoam ball were a virus that invaded your body would make antibodies to attack it. Just like that. And as the antibodies attack it, it prevents the virus from getting into your cells and making more viruses. Now, when a new virus invades your body, though, the old antibodies can't stop it. Each antibody is specially designed to stop just one kind of virus. See, they just don't stick, they just don't help. The immune system has to make an antibody designed especially for the new virus. The antibodies attack the virus they're designed for and stop them from getting into your cells and making more viruses. This war goes on in your body, and this is when you feel sick. A fever, sneezing, coughing, and other symptoms of being sick are signs your body is fighting the invader. Sometimes your body, especially if it's weakened by other illnesses or conditions, can't fight off the virus by itself. A person's immune system also tends to weaken as you get older. That's when you may need to go to the hospital to get more help fighting the virus. And we all need to protect our older family members and those with pre-existing conditions by being responsible citizens and wearing a face mask, washing our hands often, and practicing social distancing to keep an out-of-control disease from spreading. A Along with acting responsibly, one of the best defenses we have before we get invaded by a virus is a vaccine. Vaccines help your body win the war even before it gets started. It does this by giving your body a head start in its fight. Your immune system kicks into high gear and makes antibodies to fight it ahead of time. If later on your body is attacked by the active virus, your body already has antibodies made to stop the virus. If you get vaccinated before you get sick, the vaccine has time to make those antibodies. And your body knows how to make more. This is why vaccines are important. They give your body a head start. They can help your body stop the virus before it can make you sick, or make when you get sick a lot shorter and less serious than if you didn't get the vaccine. And that's it for this episode of Quick Science. Until next time, stay safe.